Well, Sora 2 is not unlimited. That is a certain amount of videos that you can generate every single month before you are running out of credits, and you have to wait or pay more for more credits. So I'm going to show you how you can actually check how many credits, or in this case it is called gens, in your Sora account. So here I'm using the desktop web version, and unfortunately I don't have access to the mobile version of Sora, but I think you can still follow along even if you're using the app version of this platform. So what you need to do is just open a Sora menu right here, and then go to settings, and after that navigate to a menu called usage. So here I have 26 video gens left. Now they use the term gens, and that basically means like credits. It's not exactly the same, but think of it like gens is as videos. So that means 26 videos I can create on the Sora platform. But there is actually an exception, because that really depends on what is the duration of the video. So 26 videos means I can generate 26 10-second videos. But if I select, let's say, 15-second video, then the the gens is going to be double. So it will consume 2 gens when creating a 15-second video or more on my Sora account. So that's one thing that you need to keep in mind. Now, if you are interested, you want to get more credits, you want to generate more videos using Sora, then there is actually an option to add more credits. So you can click that add more button, and then you can select how many gens that you want to purchase, and then you can click the purchase button and then follow for the payment procedure. Now I'm not going to do that, but basically this is one option that you can try if you want to create more videos with the Sora model. So that's one way, but you can also just wait for the sort of renewal date. So I think it is actually updated every day, and there's still a limit on how many videos or how many gens that you will get every single month. But in theory, you can just wait for another day, and hopefully tomorrow you can get another credit to create another AI video in the Sora platform. But yeah, that's basically how you can check how many gens left or how many credits left on your Sora/ChatGPT account. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.